to Johnny E-Bike. I'm your host, John Leach. I ordered two Luckeep X2 e-bikes. They're leftover models from the year before. This is the year 2025. These are from 2024. Ordered them off of Amazon. They had a special going on for $8.99 a piece plus $100 shipping. So I ordered a white one and ordered a yellow one. They were out of the gray. But the white one, they delivered to me already open. I'll show you later. The yellow one is unopened. I don't know why the white one's, I don't know if it came that way from Luckeep. FedEx was the delivery, so I don't know if from Amazon or FedEx. Somebody opened the box before I got to it. So as you can take notice, the flap's open. That ain't for me. So I'm going to do, in this video we're going to do an unboxing. In the next video we're going to do assembly, and the third video we'll do a test ride. Let's unbox this Luckeep X2 white e-bike. This ought to be interesting. Okay. Oh, a pain in the ass. Alright, let's do it this way. I have to lay it down and pull it out. It's got some weight. It's 80 pounds. Okay, hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna need, actually, you know what? Let's do something. Okay. So here is a box. The smaller box came inside the larger box. This probably has all the tools and accessories in it. So let's open it up and see what's in it. Alright. So we got Allen wrenches. We got a 13 and 15 inch metric wrench. That's 13 millimeter, that's 15 millimeter. We got two black zip ties. two of these style Allen wrenches. I got another wrench, and this one is 14, so that's a 14 millimeter, and that's a 17 millimeter wrench. Then it comes with this multi-tool. Take my glasses off. I hate wearing glasses. Okay. Also comes with paperwork. Congratulations on purchasing your Luckeep. And then what's this here? Congratulations, you got a free gift. I'm not sure if you're gonna get that or not, but it came with my kit. Owner's manual. Oh, and this is probably a quick guide. No, it says user's manual. And then this is a guide to assembling your bike right here. And on top of all of that, we got two other smaller boxes. So we got this smaller box right here, and this. Oh, this is the pedals. Okay. So there you go. There's the two pedals inside the smaller box. Gonna need those for sure. And then there's this medium-sized box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is probably the charger and the cord. So there you go. It's the manual, the charger, and the cord. Alright, cool. Let's start opening up, unpacking. Let me get wire cutters. Okay, here comes the fun part. Alright. Always something, you know. Let's take that out. Okay. Some more paperwork. Let me turn this. Alright. I didn't have the camera on, but see this front piece? There's 2 bolts, one on each side. And you have to loosen both of them to turn this thing around. And this came way over tight from the manufacturer. I had to crank on that bolt like crazy. One was loose and one was way over tight. So I don't know if they have AI robots doing this or what, but that's not exactly easy. I had to really crank on that one bolt just to crank it to get it loose without breaking or ruining or damaging anything. And this piece you turn around to line up. Okay.